one other Aquaka. Oh, yeah, Coca, 31st, everybody, only Aquaka, so would you? But you know why chairman no come out when you want prophesy for her?
Tell me.
Because he give a picking 3-5. You don't need that kind of prophecy for
your father laugh. Idiot. And no boku and no fear.
Good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I hear that the former Senate President is seated somewhere. Dr. Ken Nnewi, where is he seated, please? Somewhere around? Over there? All right. Good evening. That man is a Senate President of Senate Presidents. A round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen. And also hear that His Excellency is here. I can see him. You know, you are very iconic, sir. Even if you are hiding in the dark, people must always see you. Most distinguished Excellency, I greet you. Nnewi, I hear say, where Uncle Bob there? Uncle Bob, where are you seated? Right there. Uncle Bob, make you wave. Uncle Bob, I just watched one film for hotel now. They just kill you. How you think I play here? All right, when they come from Lagos, they talk say Nnewi people are very local people. I said no, we have a show in Nnewi. Now they say no, that local place. Right? What did they go do there? I said no, I need to find out if Nnewi is local. Like where they go bring Auntie come from? Auntie, please, can you stand up and wave to your fans? Please stand up, wave to your fans. Make some noise for. Don't say only for Nollywood, man, they go kill you for evening, you go come out to see your people. You know, somebody go one go poison your husband for Nollywood, you go put the poison inside, turn him, you go taste him, something. You know, they tell us this place is a local place, but I can't tell chairman. I said, chairman, I hear that Nnewi is too local. He said, no. I said, there's a music. He said, try them. In fact, chairman said, anybody will get these songs when I want to play. There's a special prize for you. So Nnewi, if you want to show me that you know hip hop, I will tell the DJ to play. And when the DJ plays, you tell me who sang the song. If we not get that, there's something for somebody this night. DJ, are you ready? The first song. Play the first song. They said Nnewi local. Look at it. They're not confused. They're not confused. I'm not saying I'm local. When I sabi this song. Sabi this song. Sabi this song. They're not confused. You're not. Child. Break up. Who sang the song?
Mr. Easy.
No, you come from abroad, you know the Nnewi. Alright, DJ, play the second one. Play the second one. Play the second one, no. If I get this one, I die for you. Break up. Who sing that? And then Nnewi if you get this last one, I drop this microphone and I leave this place. DJ, drop the last bit. Come on.
That's right.
Now who's in this one? Nah, Lord, I put your hands for ourselves together. Clap for Nnewi. This is a place to be. And then I said Nnewi people that like to do masquerade well, no. Until this afternoon when I come out, then we see masquerade everywhere. They dance around. Masquerade go dance. Somebody go shoot and one of these with a local gun. Everybody go shout, oh, there she. I said, nah, which kind of wild like this? Masquerade go somersault, reach there, they go shoot and everybody go shout, oh, there she. I said, yeah. I don't know, say, as I they watch, what do Igbo man they watch too with me? No, Igbo man come with me because say, excuse me please. I said, yes. He said, what is a dish? He said, I've been watching them, you know, shouting a dish. What is a dish? I said, okay, wait, let me find out. And you know, saying only for Nigeria, if you don't get work, they will call you applicant, unemployed. For abroad, if you don't get work, they will call you tourist. So just they move around, they snap picture, nobody will disturb you. So now Waka go meet the people when they do masquerade. I say, what is Odeshi? Or you want to know what Odeshi is? Then the person they do the masquerade say, what Odeshi mean, Oga, is that you see this bullet, we're shooting this masquerade. I say, yes. He says it's not entering the body. Now Waka go meet the Igbo man. I say, what Odeshi means is that the bullet is not penetrating the masquerade. The Igbo man, you know, Igbo don't like lie. The Igbo man comes to me and say, really? I say, yes. Or Igbo say, I think I have something better in my boot. Or Igbo come go in boot. You know those come when they take act Rambo. Or Igbo come bring her out, come face the masquerade where they don't the somersault, they jump, then they shoot and all since. The next thing I hear from Igbo side, he come cock the gun. I don't know, say no really me hear him. Even the masquerade hear him. Masquerade, why don't they jump since? They jump around since. And so you go face them with the gun. Now masquerade come somersault, can't stop. The next day I see masquerade begin go back. The next thing I hear from masquerade that yeah, chukuka. Tell this Igbo man that he are not here as a human being, not a spirit of a woman. I say for shit for your body today. And I don't know why, you know, only Nnewi people or Anambra people, they go travel for only 1 week. Their accent will change from Anambra accent to Igbo accent. One of our guys, his name Obi. Obi travel, go China, come back with American accent. 1 week. Only for 1 week, Obi travel, come back after 1 week with American accent. Meanwhile, China, go. We walk out, go. You know how to do it. Now, Obi come back. We go meet Obi say, Obi, now get this CJ now. Obi say, dear me. You don't say that. Shit. I say, see this one now, which one? He say, no more. Obi, what do you buy, come? He said, dear me. You don't say that. Shit. Now, say, leave him. When Lagos saw him, beat him 3 weeks, he will get himself. After 3 weeks, he go meet him. So me, nah, he was going to mad at them. He said, dear me, you don't say that. Shit. So everybody come believe saying, nah, this one, I feel like saying a permanent accent in this one. One day, Waka come in because Senator man, I say, yes, Obi man. He said, Senator man, I want to buy some shirts. I said, okay, let me take you to YBH, buy some shirts. Now I come carry and go Alaba market. For those who know Alaba, for Alaba, you don't say human being they sell, spirit they sell, everybody they sell. As we reach there, no, see one shirt. He comes and he says, Senator man, he said, I think I love that shirt. I said, okay, let me go and ask them how much. I go ask the boys what they say. I said, how much for this shirt? The boy said, okay, now 15,000. I come back, come meet Obi. Say that 15,000. Obi say, damn man, you don't say that. Shit. 15,000 is too much, man. Now go back, go meet the Lord. I said, nah, this guy just now expatriate. You know they like those kind of high price. Reduce them for him. The guy said, okay, 7,500. And I can't go meet Obi. I said, Obi, it's now 7,500, not 15,000. He said, good, man. Time don't reach to pay money for the shirt. Obi don't know, say those boys for Alaba, they don't pick all in pocket, all the money don't go. As he search back pocket, you know, see, he search here, you know, see, search front, he search, you know, see, you know, check the breast pocket. And I'm confused. The next thing I hear from him now, oh no, 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 no. So my family go on tomorrow. Now so my family go on tomorrow. He waka come meet me because a senator man, my family go on tomorrow. Now I turn to him and tell him, say, damn, man.